Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we are unboxing the June Vellabox. If you're unfamiliar with what Vellabox is, it is a candle subscription I have been getting for a very long time and I very much love. One thing I love about Vellabox is that it has several subscription tiers, so hopefully whoever you are, you can have it work for your budget if you're interested. It starts off at $10 a month where you get one 4-ounce candle. Or you can get the $20 box, which you get an 8-ounce candle, or the $30 box where you get both the 4-ounce and the 8-ounce candle, and that is what I currently get. All of them come with little bonus goodies, and I do now have a code to save you $5 off whatever subscription plan you choose, so I will leave a link and a code down below in the description box. But anyways, let's get started. All of the candles that come in Vellabox are made locally in the United States by artisans, and they're all hand-poured, small batch, toxin-free candles that last so long. I can attest to it. I've been getting this forever and I love it. Oh my gosh. The candles always come in the cutest bag. So when you open it up, this is what you see. There is always a quote. It says for this month, cause a little bit of summer is what the whole year is about. John Mayer. You guys know I love John Mayer. My first concert, saw him with Dead & Company. Love him so much, if that's the John Mayer they're talking about. So I'm going to pull out everything. So there is a little information card, but seriously, how cute are the bags? They always come with the cutest bags ever. I always try and repurpose them. Like I'll send jewelry I sell on my eBay store and stuff in these bags, or give gifts in them. I think this is totally fitting for June, totally tropical. Love the palm leaves, love the blue and the green. So cute. And then there is the goodie here, which we'll get to. But let's see where these candles are from this month. They are from Broken Top Candle Co., which are based out of Bend, Oregon. And it says they curate sustainable and conscious products using renewable and recyclable materials, influenced by high design, offering candles, lotions, and perfumes that are organic-based, gluten-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Try them on for scent. Awesome. So let's start with the smaller candle. Love these drawstring bags so much. Oh, this is so cute. So this is what it looks like on the outside. So this is the Saguaros Cactus, if I'm saying that correct, which I'm probably not. This is made with agave, aloe, and moss, soy, cotton, and natural oils, 4 ounces, 25-hour burn time. Smell this bad boy. Oh my god, this smells so good. You guys can pretend. Let's see. So Saguaros Cactus. Fragrance notes of agave, aloe, and moss. The desert is in bloom. Clean agave, aloe, moss, and hints of jade make this floral masterpiece. It smells amazing. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it so much. I'm just gonna keep that open next to me. Get some good sniffs going on. I already have a candle burning. I love candles. Like, I go through them pretty fast because I have them burning all the time because I'm always home. I try and only keep them burning in the room I'm in though, to be safe, especially with pets if they knock them over or whatever. All right, so the next one is called Sea Salt Turf. I love the packaging on this one. You can see like the leaves on there. Hopefully this is focusing, I can't tell. But I really do like their labeling. So this is 9 ounces and has a 50-hour burn time. This smells so good. It's pretty subtle. It smells amazing. Ready to imagine? It smells so good. Okay, so this has fragrance notes of jasmine, wood, and cream. The sweet smell of jasmine and driftwood are muted by rich cream and hints of fruit, beach vibes, and suntan lines. I do get some beach vibes. It smells so good. You guys, I don't know what one I like best. I say this probably every month. They're very different, but like in a good way, you know? I like them both. Like this one's definitely more florally. This is more beachy. So good. I'm definitely gonna light one of these up when I go downstairs. So let's look at our extra item. This is by Goddess Garden Organics. This is facial sunscreen with SPF 30. Powerful protection with no chemical sunscreens. Awesome. I am all about that. I'm all about the mineral sunscreen, so this is definitely needed this time of year. Always good to get more SPF products. So this is the bonus gift. Goddess Garden is based out of Boulder, Colorado. It says Goddess Garden makes it easier to live in the moment and enjoy the sun with mineral sunscreens that are safe for sensitive skin and the environment. Look for their new Ultra Sheer formula in SPF 50. Awesome, I'm excited to try this out. So overall, I think this was a really good month. I'm always so happy with this subscription, seriously. So the bags, first of all, adorable. Can't wait to reuse those. Both the candles smell phenomenal, and I think the labeling on here, the packaging is so cute. And I am always happy to get sunscreens, especially mineral sunscreens. I'm starting to become more aware of what type of sunscreen I'm using. Chemical sunscreens could just be a little bit more harsh, and they might not be really good for a coral reef. There's a lot more information out there. Maybe I'll link a source down below because I'm not going to get into sunscreen in this video, but yeah, so I'm very happy to get this point being. So yeah, I think this was a great box. What do you guys think? If you guys are interested, like I said, I have my coupon code. I'll leave all that information down below. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!